Hey guys, so welcome to part 2 of the video. It is the next day, Saturday afternoon. I taught my morning classes, did a workout, and I finally have some time to set up the plant babies that I unboxed yesterday. So I have my potting tray here, my apron on, and I'm gonna try to set them up in whatever I have. I'm currently starting to run out of white planters, so I'm gonna have to do some planter shopping. Even if it's in the fall, I can still I can find my way to get white planters. I don't have to wait till spring. So let me bring up the babies and then work with them. Here is the first plant baby. So this is my Philodendron Maximum, and I have a thrifted white planter. I think there was probably like a Cressula living in here. I did drill a hole in it. This is thrifted from Arizona, and I want to see what the condition of this plant is, and I'm looking forward to seeing it grow in my collection. This is considered a rare plant for me, so I'm looking forward to see how well it does in this space and see how they packed it here. So, not ruining the plant. Hopefully it is rooted. Tape and newspaper on the side. Okay, I can always reuse this. Let's go ahead and take out the plant and see what the root system looks like. Ooh, okay, lots of roots here. But I'm still gonna be careful because I don't know the condition of the plant. So here's where they made a cut here and here. So this is a cutting, which is pretty typical for plants that are not common. I am going to mix in my soil with this soil mixture and then set it up, and I'm gonna work with the shape of the cutting. I think I'm going to meet back with my subscriber that I did a trade with this afternoon, and we're gonna do our second trade. So if that does happen, I'll go ahead and film a haul and share with you the cuttings I'm gonna give her and what I'm getting back. So I look forward to doing that second trade if it goes down. Okay, so let's look at the condition of this cutting and see where. So this is a long aerial root, another long aerial root. This is like, I hate how they did that. When I take cuttings from my plants, I try to not mess up the plant so much. So it looks like they took a cutting from here and here, and then I'm gonna figure out the best. I think this is the best look for the plant. What do you guys think? And I'll probably use the bamboo stake to help hold it up. And I wish this good luck, and I hope it does well in my home. And let me know down in the comments, what plants do you think I should look into getting next? I really want, well, there's a handful of rare plants that I'm always looking for, especially anything variegated. So stay tuned as I grow the collection by the week. Let's see if I stick this here, and maybe if I Velcro it here. Do I need a small piece of Velcro to get away with? I need to get more Velcro. Okay, so let's cinch you here without ruining the aerial roots. I was saving this pot, I'm not too sure for what, but for now this is fine. I mean, okay, if I get another white planter that matches better aesthetically with the plant, I'll do the switch, but for now this is fine. It's white. It's one of my favorite thrifted planters. And this is the setup. So cute. So you're good to go. Love that. Pearl marks. And one day soon I would like to get a variegated baby, of course. Let me try to get the moss off as much as I can. Poor guy, he looks sad and wilted. Hopefully it'll perk up. So I have a white planter. I think my original Pilea peperomioides was living in here, but I shipped it to a blue planter. You'll see it in my fall tour. Okay. Hopefully you'll perk up. Sound off in the comments down below if you have this philodendron. Is it common? Is it rare for you? How well is it doing for you? This is the first time I'm having this plant in my collection, so we'll see how it does, and hopefully the leaves will perk up. As you can see, one leaf is damaged, so half will cut there. The rest of the leaves seem to be pretty okay. They just look a little sad, so hopefully it'll perk up. And I'm just gonna leave it as B. Okay, so this is the setup. Looks sad, but I'll keep you guys posted. For this variegated Sigonium, I think I'm gonna just put it in a white plastic planter because arrowheads, man, they can be finicky for me. So I think I'm gonna leave it in a nursery planter until it gets bigger, and then when I see that gets doing good in my collection, I'll switch it to a ceramic planter. She's been really patient with me because I came home twice in between teaching today and she thought I was coming home for her, but I'll take her to the beach after this for a workout. Let me know in the comments below if you have any of these philodendrons or the variegated Sigonium, and how do you take care of your plant? How long have you had it? Did you buy it in person, online? So, what? Newspaper? Okay, moment of truth. I see some roots down here. And these are good planters to reuse for cutting, so I'll use this on the side. Okay, doesn't look that bad. Okay, I'm gonna work with this cutting. So let's just stick you back in here. I'll keep you posted when this thing gives me new growth. I don't know if I should put you in a deeper pot. I think I'm gonna just leave this in this planter for now. And then when I see it starts giving me new growth and it looks happy here, then I'll think about switching it to a white ceramic planter. But for now, I'm nervous. So let's set you up like this. Hopefully I see some progress in this plant, and then I'll put it in a ceramic planter. I do see a new baby leaf unfurling here, so hopefully in time. But for now, this is going to be the setup. Yay! I'm glad I was able to set them up. I actually cinched this one up on the bamboo to kind of bring it up higher so it wasn't flopping over. While I have it here, I might as well do what I normally do with my planting with Julian Episode. Go ahead and mist it, poor guys, and then I'll give it some fertilized water. Hopefully it likes living in Santa Monica. So I hope you guys enjoyed part 1 and 2 of unboxing and planting up these babies. I look forward to having these new philodendrons in my collection. I've always wanted a variegated arrowhead, so let's see, because Sigoniums are a hit or miss with me, and I hope I can keep this one alive. There is a lot of new growth on all 3 plants, so let me know down in the comments below if you do mail orders and what was the last plant you bought online, and if you have any of the plants, did you purchase them online? Did you buy them in person? Are they common? Are they rare? And I will see you guys tomorrow. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Subscribe for daily uploads. I'm well over 600 videos. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica, California. Bye.